So how much longer are you going to leave it until you change the way that you work to protect yourself financially from this pandemic? What's your plan B going to be during this current situation whilst many of us are forced to work from home? What can you do to protect yourself and your family financially whilst we are threatened with this crisis? And how can you protect or generate an income when so many people have lost their jobs or are just about to in the very near future? Let's face it, it's going to get worse before it gets any better. The last major financial crisis we had here in the UK was back in 2009, and at that time I was the managing director of the European arm of an international plastics company, and I had to change the way I worked, if the business was to survive. It was changing the way that I worked that enabled me not just to save the business from ruin, but to turn it around and make it the most profitable it's been in its 26-year history. As we face this new crisis, I believe we need to change the way that we work, to give ourselves the best chance of not only surviving, but maybe even to thrive in these uncertain times. Let me explain what I believe you can do to give yourself the best chance of success during a crisis on a scale that the world has never seen. It was 18 months ago that I tripped over a video on YouTube that introduced me to an online business opportunity that meant I could work from home. Today, of course, many of us are being asked to stay at home to help contain the chance of either getting or spreading the coronavirus, and to help ease the situation for our doctors and nurses that are working on the front line in the NHS. It is this online business opportunity and working from home that I want to share with you today. The video that I tripped over on YouTube introduced me to a free video workshop created by one of my mentors, who helped me to understand that even I could start and run an online business from scratch. This was not something I felt confident in being able to do, but before I dismissed the idea, I listened to what he had to say. As I listened, I started to realise that so many other people had changed the way that they worked in what we describe as this digital economy, offering products and services online and generating income in return. The speaker went on to explain that he could help people like me to understand what to do and definitely what not to do to be successful in running a business on the internet. As a result, today I now run my online business, which I could never have done if it hadn't discovered this free video workshop, and feel so grateful that I had it in me to make a change to the way that I worked. The good news is that I'd like to help you to make this change to which is designed to improve your financial future. I have found it so rewarding now in helping others to be in a better place, and I'm hoping that today you will find the strength to take action for yourself and make a change to the way that you work. As my father used to say, now is always the best time to review, plan and take the necessary action if we are to improve any situation. So let me encourage you to do the same thing now. If you believe you have what it takes to take control and change the way that you work to help protect yourself and your family financially, then let me encourage you to click on the Learn More link below this video and explore for yourself this free video workshop, which could literally help you to change the way that you work, giving you the opportunity to hopefully not only survive this current situation, but to go on and thrive. So go ahead, click on the Learn More link below and explore if you too could make a change to the way that you work and generate an income for yourself.